What's going on, guys? Here at CJ's, as you guys just saw on those little videos that I did. Today we're working on the 12 valve SWAT f250. There's CJ, there's Xander. Yeah, the boys are coming here tonight, so we're gonna hopefully get the trans in and maybe those shiny brake lines over there. And hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and check out our Instagram and check out CJ's Instagram. And so here we go. We got the trans. Here she is. Whew. Oh yeah, we'll get her done.
Hey, someone only uses half the pump, only gets half the work done, right?
It's like using half your hammer.
Yeah, I know. You told me that.
Hey, hand me that left-handed hammer.
This one?
Wrench?
Alright. It looks like you're on a pretty bad angle.
You're really close, but really far away.
Yeah. We're gonna have to do this by hand, and I know just the guy for the job.
Me.
Yes.
Hold on, we're gonna keep,
Alright, let's take it down for a minute. I need to move the shifter.
How much?
I get rid of it.
Trans is in. Transfer case going in.